Joo.
What are our plans for the day?
Apteek plus Central Hamburg.
And kebab.
And kebab, yes.
Päin muija. En.
We are now in a nice little restaurant. It's raining outside and it's pretty cold. So we tried to go into another restaurant at first, but it was pretty full and it was pretty expensive. Thank God we found this place.
Maybe. We
Yeah,
might get food poisoning.
We don't know yet.
Ymmärrän.
Here, ladies and gentlemen, you can find Nicoteus Maximus in his own personal habitat. As you can see, the species is very rapid with its movements. It has very long legs and therefore it can run even 30 kilometers per hour. It is trying to run away from us right now, so we are following it, but we need to be very careful because once it spots us, it gets very excited. Milo just used a very specific calling voice.
Nico!
Can you do it again?
Nico! On the hunt for Nicodemus.
Yeah.
He will never stop. He will stop at nothing. Suomi poika!
Krautwurst, kaalimattala on.
Joo.